Hi YouTubers, so what I wanted to share to you today is how I achieved that beach wave look. I use a couple of different products and I'll share those products with you right off the bat. I do my hair towel dried and I use a heat tamer, heat protector by Tresemme. I use Curls Rock Amplifier by Catwalk by TGI. And then I also use a flexible hold, satin hold hairspray. And I use a leave-in conditioner and a blow dryer and a diffuser. So first I apply, trying to get my blow dryer ready here. First I apply the leave-in conditioner, so just a handful to kind of coat your hair and protect it and condition it. You want to do this on towel dried hair, so make sure that your hair is still wet or damp so that it grabs what you're trying to do to it, and this look is very easily obtainable. I have naturally wavy hair and I wear my hair with the sides to the sides, so I just manipulate it the way I usually wear it. Then you want to go ahead and apply some heat protectant. All over. Grab 3 pumps. My hair is about shoulder length, or a little bit under the shoulder, so I grab that. It's kind of a creamy substance, so that's what it looks like. And I just start massaging it into my hair. Ooh. Massaging it into my hair and doing that from the bottom up. Flip it over, same thing on the other side. So I scrunch while I'm putting that into my hair. Make sure you have it everywhere, and it's very important to do this while your hair is damp. I can't express or stress how important that is. I'm going to grab a paper towel and just wipe off the excess off my hands, because I don't like how it feels when I grab my blow dryer if my hands are yucky. Then you're just going to go ahead and put that on a medium setting. And just start diffusing it going up to the scalp. And as you can see already, it's starting to grab that beautiful wave versus this side, which is completely flat still. Now I don't do it till my hair is dry. I just do it to where it's still a little bit damp, because I'm going to set that with that light hold hairspray. piece right here. And I just straighten it out at the roots a little bit, which there's just right at the tip here. And separate. And I just straighten it out at the roots. And I go like that. And if you have any pieces that actually frizzed up or anything like that, I secure that with just bobby pins. And that's how I achieved my beach wave look. So I just thought I'd share that with you because I know it took me a while to actually figure out how to do it. And I used the diffuser before, and I used it on a high setting because everybody recommended it for, you know, achieving this look. And I used it on a high setting and it didn't work, and I just kind of never really played with it again. So I did recently learn that, you know, if you use it on a medium setting, that you're able to achieve that look effortlessly and you don't get the big hair and the frizz or whatnot. You can make it as big as you want. Sometimes I wear it a little bit more more poofy, sort of say. It just depends on how you're feeling. Today I'm just kind of like hanging out in the house, or, you know, looking at some videos and stuff like that. Then you want to make sure that you set it with your setting spray. And I just use this a couple of inches away just to set that look. And I can actually, I don't do this to my hair every day. I do it like every 2 to 3 days. So tomorrow I'll just wet it with water in a water bottle, and then just diffuse it just a little bit, just so that it grabs that volume again. And then the next day I'll probably just put it in a ponytail. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys because I thought it was really cool and effortless to achieve. So just thought I'd share that. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys again soon. I have some videos that I'm planning on making, doing a do-it-yourself curtain, achieving some of the things that I've done in the room to decorate my beauty room. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again soon, and have a beautiful and blessed day.